Intellectual property, or IP, is an important aspect of our work at the Department of Research, Business and Innovation. But what exactly does it mean? Well, it's a term which refers to ideas or other innovations that are created by people's minds. In our case, as a university, it usually refers to knowledge or innovation that comes from research, and it's important to protect ownership. For example, researchers from the physics department have worked with the Diamond Centre Wales to invent a device that can measure the brilliance of gemstones more quickly and accurately than a person. As a department, we've protected the intellectual property of this unique device and put a patent in place, making it clear who owns the rights and who can sell and transfer them. IP rights may also be needed for other areas of research, such as new plant varieties developed by researchers, lab equipment, technical know-how, or protecting a creative piece of work by copyright. It's one of the professional support services that we provide to staff to help make sure that the benefits of their research has an impact on society. You can find out more on our website or email us at drbi@aber.ac.uk.